What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of The JT Show. So today what I want to talk with you about is an experience that I've had of myself over the last few days. And specifically, it's around my resistance to a situation. So to give you a little bit of context here, there's a business I've been wanting to start. And about 30 days ago, I had conversation with some people that I was going to collaborate with, and was told some certain things were going to happen, some expectations had been set, and they weren't being met. In fact, there was just nothing happening. And if you know me, you know I'm a man of action. Like, I get my mindset on an end result and just get moving. And not a lot of planning, I just get my ass into action. And that wasn't happening on the other side. And a tremendous amount of what I noticed was resistance was coming up within me. Frustration, anger even, and a little bit of resentment. And what I noticed was last Thursday, I finally said, you know what? Forget it. If it's meant to be, it'll be. What flows, flows. Let it happen. And if it doesn't work out, I'm still going where I'm going. I'm just going to pivot and go in another direction with new people and collaborate with different people in a different manner and drop the resistance. And then yesterday, a phone call came, and the whole process was laid out for me to unfold, to move forward, like actual actionable items, like actual accountability from other people. It went from just this esoteric idea to action plan. And here we are moving forward. And I got to thinking about it. Where else in my past have I operated this way, where there was some collaboration, there was a partnership, and expectations were set that weren't met? I was in resistance, and I had a tremendous amount of frustration and hanging on to that. And it just didn't work. It didn't make me feel good and brought me to a lower state. If you think about it, when you're in resistance, when you got some resentment, are you in a really happy, joyful, peaceful, abundant state? No. And noticing in the past where I had done that and where it didn't work, noticing what just happened with me over the last couple days. And then I also get to have the awareness of, where am I still doing that with other categories, with other facets of my life? And can I just let go? Because what I noticed is when I just let go, the process is shown, the mechanism will appear. It'll all unfold organically in its own divine timing, in its own appointed hour. And so I'm just making this quick little video to share authentically about what I've been experiencing with myself, and where might you be in resistance? So some expectations that were given to you that aren't being met, and notice your resistance, and where can you let that go? If that doesn't work out, another door is going to open. It's going to still happen, the end result, so long as you fix your intention on it and you pay attention to what you can be doing. And sometimes what you can be doing is managing your own state of being. Drop the resistance. Leave yourself open and receptive to receive other methods, other mechanisms that were previously in your awareness. So, I hope this video brought some value to you today. And remember, as I end every JT show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Are you surrounding yourself with people that are reminding you of what your state of being is around what you're looking to accomplish, and how can you be different? Are you surrounding yourself with people that are dropping their resistance and leaving themselves open and receptive to receive new ways, new possibilities, new opportunities? So, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.